Hello friends, today in this video we are watching the modern wardrobe with mirror designs along with their price ranges. So friends, a wardrobe with mirror design, it's modern and functional furniture. That combination of stories and style, it's one unit instead of keeping the separate of dressing table, and the wardrobe itself has full length or partial mirror, it's fit into the doors. This not only saves the space but also added to the elegance to the room. Mirror wardrobes create spacious and bright look. Has the reflective surfaces make even small bedrooms appear larger. They are available in different styles such as the swing doors and mirror panels with the sliding wardrobes with full-length mirrors or customized to belt wardrobes with dressing table. Apart from enhance the rooms of aesthetic, the mirror also serves its practical purpose for dressing, grooming, or checking outfits. It's depending on your preference. And materials like engineered wood, solid wood, laminates, or glass finishes that can be customized and combination with the mirrors match your interior theme. And if you like to can pull up drawers, wardrobes with the mirror design within your specific budget, 10,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees, and whenever you are preferred. And Nilkamal River two-door wardrobe with mirror. It's compact two-door, good value for smaller rooms. Its price is 11,000 rupees. And Rano three-door sliding wardrobe with mirror or drawers. A sliding doors, mirror plus drawers. It's good if you want space-saving idea. It's available in the 39,000 to 999 rupees. And Mahim five-door wardrobe with dressing area with mirror. Very large, include dressing table and mirror section. Its price at 25,000 rupees to 789 rupees. These all are available on the Flipkart. You can go and buy it. And friends, another one is a Rio four-door wardrobe with mirror brown. It's an four-door hang mirror. It's integrated the and Sherwood, the size is the 1.68 mm into the 0.5 mm into the 2.50 mm. Its price at the 62,000 rupees. So friends, all these are budget friendly options you want to customize for your house wardrobe with mirror design. You just of customize to your mirrors and the perfect for small bedroom or two-door wardrobes with mirror. It saves the space and provide a basic storage. You need to the price it and start 10,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees. It's depending on the material and finish. So friends, a three-door wardrobe with extra space for shelves and hanging doors, the central mirror act of dressing unit. Price can going up to 18,000 to 25,000 rupees. So friends, customized wardrobe with dressing unit and mirror. It's an for luxury touch and customized wardrobes with fully dressing unit with mirror are best choice. It's depending on the size, material prices in India range from 40,000 rupees to 80,000 rupees and more. Like you can which materials you can use. So whatever you want, compact design for small bedrooms or premium customized wardrobes with mirror, there are plenty of options in India suit every style and budget. So friends, if you like our videos and please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video and thank you for watching this video.